Hello guys, welcome to the mystical land of Bohol, home to one of nature's most fascinating wonders, the Chocolate Hills. Imagine a landscape with thousands of symmetrical wonders that turn chocolate brown in dry season. It is the third most visiting place categorized by Philippines government. They have proposed it for UNESCO World Heritage Site also. Once there, don't miss the Chocolate Hills Adventure Park where you can enjoy zip lining too. So we came here and it's the morning time. Okay guys, so I'm at the Chocolate Hills and this is the sunrise view. It's quite foggy here right now, but as the sun will come totally, these fogs will be vanished and we could see the Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills is basically a coral reef which was around 2 to 5 million years ago, and now it's becoming more like a limestone. So it looks like a brown color. So if you are planning to come to Bohol, then do visit this place. If you like foggy things and want to experience cold hill station vibe, then you need to wake up early morning. So pack your bags and come experience the Chocolate Hills, a place where nature's artistry meets cultural heritage. See you in Bohol.